it's officially 203 and Chris has officially lost it. What are you doing? What have you been doing to cause this?
We've been freaking creating these things for the past 4 hours. Who does that? Who fools with fondant at 10 o'clock at night, expecting to get something done?
So in the last 4 hours, this is what Carice has accomplished, along with the Fondant Animal Clinic. What is this?
My abs hurt.
Are you laughing or are you crying? Yeah, it's a big mess. But look at the vegetables and the little animals. The little piggy fell apart. Would you please breathe? I don't want to have to do the Heimlich.
My back. My back.
Well, which is it? Your back or your stomach? It'll be your head next when you go to sit up. If you were
I
to
just
walk
sounded
in,
like you're freaking Pig.
if you were to walk into my house right now, this is what you would find.
Oh gosh. Oh, I'm gonna throw up.
Please don't. I don't want to clean up that. She's been eating more fondant than she puts together, just FYI. And it's now 2:06 and we'll be signing off. She needs to get to bed. Good night.